This is our demo of premium plan. This is how it will come out of the box once you sign up. But don't worry, we can set it up all for you as per your business requirements, your needs, and how you tend to run your business operations. So this is a launch pad, which is a recommendation of to set up and create and connect accounts to hit the ground running. So this is just a guide. Let me navigate this dashboard. This dashboard is a bit like a dummy content, right? So there's not much valuable information to make good understanding, but you can see the names, what it would look like. Once the data gets filled, it's very comprehensive. You can customize it, this one as well. Conversation fields, this is where you can see all the incoming conversations, not just email and WhatsApp, but also Facebook and Instagram. You can see everything under one roof. If somebody leaves a review, it will also come here. So it's very comprehensive. You can see all these conversations here, who actually send you timeline of a conversation and all the details. You can see the recent, start, you can take manual actions, you can create snippets, you can create trigger links, a lot of things you can do. Snippets for email, texts. So in case you're communicating in the same way, answering same thing, so you can prepare actually for your staff. If you're the one who's setting up, or the owner or manager, you can create a tone of voice and people just, all your staff is using that. Calendar, I'm not connected calendar, so you don't see it, but basically think of it as like a booking a calendar appointment, and there's a lot of things you can do with it. You can accept payments and other things. Appointments, this is where you would see appointments once you have it, and calendar settings, we can check it out later. Contact details, this is how it will come. Again, there's no contacts, but we can set up one. Bulk actions, restore tasks, you can check whatever task was created to action on based on a contact opportunity. Company, manage smart lists with settings, and all these are just quickly gonna go through so you can see what kind of actions you could take. Additional filters, and let's just also you can have different columns you can see based on information. Custom fields. Let's create demo contact and info. And that's how it would come up. So we can also test this. Okay, it's valid. So you can, instead of using some sort of like unbounce or never bounce, tools, you can just we have it integrated already. So there's a lot of things you can do. You can customize it to a huge extent, and set it up to fit your business needs. With if you have a WhatsApp or SMS, this one will come up. This is the timeline, what has happened. Maybe you created an opportunity, or they send a WhatsApp after they send an email, everything will come. So you can see the full conversation, full timeline. You can have a full picture of what has happened with your account or opportunity. This is where you can see the history, so how many pages they visited, what forms they submitted, if it's, how they interacted. So a lot of things, it's very useful. Tasks you can create for yourself, notes, book appointments from here, send documents for signing or reviewing, also payments. So there's a lot of things you can do from here. Opportunities, this is where mostly for businesses either want to track specific service stage or managing a sales pipeline. So let's just create one opportunity just to showcase. Open, hot, closed. And we created this opportunity, and this is how it will look now. So, and you can manage this one in many different ways. You can see, you can drag. It's kind of like a Kanban view, and you can create an opportunity from here. You can see what kind of fields you can add, and you can have tasks, notes here as well once you have an opportunity. Payments, this is a very cool feature for premium plan. So you can have all the invoices, recurring invoices, templates. You can send estimates as well. Once it's approved, the estimate, you can send an invoice. So you can see right here, I'm just showing in different ways how you can access. Send documents, so that can replace DocuSign. You can create templates to streamline your process, orders, subscriptions. You can set up payment links for specific products. You can create products, you can have coupons, settings, how you want to communicate, and customize in this bunch of settings here, and also integration with the payment gateway. So we have most common uses Stripe and PayPal, but we also others, and if you search for more, there's a few more in addition, not so popular. So that's that. Let's go into marketing. The marketing, it's another very powerful tool where you can connect all these accounts, track engagement analytics, and create social posts for scheduling. And also you can use our integrated AI to create posts and also images. So everything is under one roof. Emails, this is where you can set up campaigns for the emails, and you can set up templates, and you can see statistics. So it's quite powerful. You can track all the engagement. You can set up snippets, so it's easier to quicker to come back or respond. Countdown time, for if you want to create a countdown. Trigger links, if you want to create specific actions based on a link they clicked, and also analyze. There's affiliate as well. You can track. You can also ad manager, where you can connect your account and run ads from this tool. Brand boards, if you want to use the same font across or specific colors, you can streamline your process. Automation, this is very powerful. I also encourage you to check other video with setup account for the demo walkthrough. This is just empty, so you can set up very comprehensive workflows based on triggers, based on actions, different rules, if branches. You can run AI to answer. You can listen to the response, and based on the response you can again answer with the AI. It's very much comprehensive, and you have a content AI which helps you to create contents, as you can see in here on all these platforms, text and images as well. Sites, we have a funnels website which integrates within CRM. If you visit stores, analytics, blogs, but if you want something more comprehensive, more flexible, more custom, we have a WordPress super fast hosting integration, so you can connect your account and manage it from here. And this is the dashboard. We can see the for the clients, by the way. And this one is forms, where you can set up just a regular forms to like a contact form or an analyze and check submissions service, where you can ask multiple questions in a different way and collect the feedback. This is super useful depending on purpose, what you want to do. It's quite popular when you don't want to have a long list of questions in one form. You want to take them step by step and collect all these details. Chat widget, this is where you can set up chat on SMS, email chat, live chat, WhatsApp. QR codes, it's not very advanced. I recommend to use qamplify.com if you want more advanced features. This one is simple, does the job very well. URL redirects once you have a domain connected. And let me just go back. Automation. Calendars. Calendars right here. This is what calendars you can create. You can see right here, and you can manage in different way. You can group them. You can create service menu. You can create rooms. If you want this offer the same service at the same time for in different rooms, you can do that. Also, if you want to be assigned with different equipment, with different preferences, I'm just quickly gonna go through just to show you. There's a bunch of customizations right here. Also, we have a conversation AI, which you can actually, this is some kind of communication channels, and we can either set it on suggestive, which doesn't respond, just lets you select this once you respond. So it can suggest you, but you can actually need to send it, or autopilot, completely automated. This is, you can test how would communicate with you this chatbot once you go live, and training. You can feed specific content to be trained on. You can also set up Q&A. Configure intent. You can also set up guide chat how to actually respond, and also you can say, okay, I want to actually lead everything towards booking specific service or sales call or discovery call, and you can also set up some rules for this too. It's super powerful to save time and optimize your operations. Another very good is the multiple ways to set up your email sending. This helps you to set up so it communicates from your domain using your subdomain. But we can also help you to set up DKey, IM, DMARC as well. So it's basically proving that you are actually the real sender. So that's likelihood end up in inbox. This is reply, and again, reply and forward settings, email analytics, and if you need help in warming up your email, basically mimicking real behavior between sending, replying, and clicking on links, we can do that as well. We have an agency account. Phone numbers, waiting time for UAE is about 2 weeks, but you get toll free number only to receive calls. You cannot do an outbound. In other countries, that depends on regulations and rules, and we can help you with that as well. Just reach out to us. WhatsApp, it's a super powerful integration. You can run campaigns, messages, you can add images, videos, documents, you can add personalization based on your contact, opportunity, or account or business you set up, or we set up for you. So this is very, very comprehensive, and I highly recommend to use it. Reputation management, we went through this, I believe. So this is all the rules. You can have set up widgets, set up listing, and you can start tracking everything from one platform. Reputation. Custom fields. Custom fields, this is what by default what we have, and you can have on opportunity level or contact level. You can also set up fields like so, and either you can ask customer or client to provide this information, or you can actually pre-fill this information by yourself, and you can set up in multiple different ways. You can have a grouping, and it's to streamline your process. And if you want to, especially if you want to save time, like we use this for promotions, and then you run monthly or quarterly promotions, instead of adding specific text inside the WhatsApp, email, or other communication channels, what we can do, we can actually set up on a business or account level. So we only think we need to update once, and everywhere else will be updated. So the only thing we need to use just that snippet, and other information will be pre-filled using from this account settings. It's super powerful. I highly recommend. And if you want, we can set up actually all for you. Managing scores, this just tracks how hot or how cold lead is, and a specific on a specific action we can either add or detract points or subtract or remove. Domains, you can connect or purchase domains from one platform. Again, we made it everything under one roof, so everything is easy for you to manage. URL redirects, once you connect domain, you can set up redirects like so. Integration, this is Google Maps, where you can connect Google Analytics, Google Maps, profile listing, and also Facebook, Instagram. Again, this is where you get access to two-way communication. When somebody sends you a message, you can reply from the system using desktop or mobile. QuickBooks integration, Clear Your Account, Stripe, Shopify, TikTok, LinkedIn, Slack, Printful, and Shippo. All these integrations are available to extend the functionality of our CRM. Private integration, this is a very powerful API v2, which has a lot of options to extend it even further. And conversations provided, let's skip this. And tags, once you create tags, either for contact or opportunity level, you can delete or manage them. Labs, if you want to test before it gets rolled out some feature, you can actually test, enable, disable them. And audit logs, you can check what has happened in your business account recently. And brand boards, we walked through this before. And that's basically the premium. Again, we keep on adding new features, we keep on improving them. So I'm pretty sure once you tried it, once everything is set up and running, of course there's a bit of learning curve, but again, don't worry, we will onboard you, we train you, you have access to our knowledge and our tech support, and we can't wait for you to try and grow your business with our comprehensive and super powerful powered by AI CRM.